G'day everyone, my name's Roberto from Fornieri wood-fired ovens. I'm at my display centre in Brayside here. We have a Pompeii 1000mm pre-cut brick oven here today that I'm just trying out a new rotisserie style of cook in it. What it is, it's the Greek style rotisserie. We've got some lovely meats in there. I'll do a close-up of what's going on in the oven. We're going to cook it up. The fire's been going for about an hour now, and we're going to take the foil off and then start to brown the meat. I'll do a close-up for you and show you what it looks like inside. As I say, that's been going for about an hour. Inside the foil, we'll now take the foil off. Okay, so the foil's off. I've put the meat back in. What I've done is I've put a little bit of charcoal under the meat in the tray, as you'll see. Stoke the fire up. Now that's been in there for about 10 minutes. I've got a nice fire going. You can see that's just starting to look incredibly juicy and delicious. So we're going to give that probably about another 10 minutes. It'll be 20 minutes in there, and then I'm going to start the carve, do the first carve. That's what she looks like. That's a rotisserie inside a wood-fired oven. Beautiful oven made by Sydney Fire Bricks, also known as the Wood Fired Co. Australian made in Sydney. You can now do a Gyros rotisserie inside your wood-fired oven. Give you one more look at that meat. Look at it sizzle away. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right. I'll show you what it looks like when we carve her up. Alright guys, it's Roberto back here. So I've had the foil on for about an hour. I've pushed the meat back in, and she's been cooking for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to do my first carve and see how it came out. Looks good. Hey boys, come and try this meat. Hey, come try this meat. Tell me what you think. Gyros out of the out of our wood-fired oven. What do you think, boys?
Awesome, man.
Good? Yeah, mate, eat. If you want to grow, you've got to eat. So that's been about an hour. Been about 15 minutes in there without the foil. It's already ready to do its first carve. I'll push it back in now, and I reckon every 5 to 10 minutes I'll be carving this stuff off. I reckon I'll have that whole chunk, 3 kilos there, cut in half an hour. It should be all done. Instead of, you're looking at a 4 to 6 hour job in the Greek Gyros, you're looking at about 1.5 to 2 hours tops inside an oven like this. So this is a Sydney Fire Brick oven, made in Australia, also known as a Wood Fired Co. It's a pre-cut brick oven, Pompeii 1000mm. Beautiful commercial grade quality oven here. So if you're interested in an oven, you can do rotisseries, you can do pizzas, you can do roasts, fish, potatoes, stews. With this now, the options are endless. If you're interested in one, Fornieri wood-fired ovens. It's Roberto. Thank you. Goodbye.